Alright, in this video, I'm going to talk about complementary angle. Right? So as you know that supplementary angle means if you add up, you're getting 180. Complementary means you have you add up the two angle, you're getting 90 degree. So now you see this is a right angle triangle, right? So you're very familiar with trigonometric ratio. Sine theta, you will have opposite over hypotenuse, right? And cos theta, you will have adjacent over with hypotenuse, and tangent theta, you will have opposite over adjacent, right? This is the three basics one, right? So now let's say if this is 90, if this is a 90 degree, right? This is a 90 degree. So this is theta, and of course the angle here will be 90 minus theta, because three of this you make up 180, right? So you take 180 minus 90 degree, you have a remaining 90 degree. Then you want to find the angle here, you need to take the 90 degree minus the theta here. So you have 90 minus theta. Right, so from here you can see that let's see. So let's say you have sine 90 minus theta, right? 90 degree minus theta. So what is your cos 90 degree minus theta, and your tangent 90 degree minus theta, right? So theta and 90 minus theta, they are complementary, right? So means which you add up these two angles, you are getting 90 degree, right? You have 90 degree. So sine 90 minus theta based on the trigonometry triangle, the right angle triangle here. So 90 theta sine, right? Sine is opposite over hypotenuse, B over C. If you look at these three basic ratio, trigonometric ratio, B over C is represent cosine theta. It's actually cosine theta, right? So I can make a general conclusion here is, I know that 90 degree minus theta is the same as cos theta, right? So let's look at cos 90 degree minus theta. Cos 90 degrees minus theta will be adjacent over hypotenuse, right? 90 degree hypotenuse. So adjacent over hypotenuse. And if you look at this, A over C, sine theta opposite over adjacent, right? For here, sine theta is A over C. Cos 90 degree minus theta is A over C. So I can conclude that this will be sine theta, right? Sine theta. So means that cos 90 degree is the same as sine theta, right? Okay, how about tangent 90 minus theta, right? Tangent 90 degree minus theta. So which will be adjacent, opposite over with adjacent. Opposite over with adjacent, B over A. So B over A, this is A over B, right? So if you're writing this as cotangent theta will be B over A, right? Because cotangent theta is 1 over tangent theta, 1 over A over B. So you have B over A. So it means that tangent 90 degree minus theta is the same as cotangent theta, right? So then you have another formula. So which means that tangent 90 degree minus theta, you will have cotangent theta, right? These three basic complementary angle formula. So from these three, you actually generate another three formula. For example, sine, right? You can 1 over with sine 90 degree minus theta, 1 over cos theta. You can modify. Alright, 1 over sine is actually what? Cosecant, right? Cosecant 90 degree minus theta, which is the same as 1 over cos secant theta, right? And you can using this also, you go and do 1 over, so this one I write as 1. From 1, I can generate another formula. So now from 2, right? For example, this one from 2, if you go and 1 over cos 90 degree minus theta, right? So you will have 1 over sine theta. So 1 over cos, you have secant 90 degree minus theta. 1 over sine, cosecant theta, right? Let's come another formula. And for this case also, from 3, you can actually doing divide. You just 1 over 90 degree minus theta is the same as 1 over cotangent theta. So 1 over tangent will be cotangent 90 degree minus theta is the same as 1 over cot is tangent theta, right? You can generate another 3 formula, but it's good enough for you to just generate this 3 formula. All this you can just manipulate. Alright, so okay, in the same video I'm going to teach you how to using this formula, right? What is the meaning of complementary angle here? Hi. Alright, you can using this formula, as I know that this is an acute angle. If this is an acute angle, and this will be the complementary, the 90 degree minus theta will be the complementary angle of this acute angle, right? So means that if you add up these two, you are getting 90 degree. For example, what is the relationship here, right? With the acute angle and its complementary angle here. So for example, if I have sine 25, the value of sine 25 is always the same as the value of cos 90 minus theta. So it means that if you take 90 degree minus 25 degree, right? So you are getting 65 degree, right? So means that if you have sine 25, the complementary angle for 25 will be 65, cos 65. Okay, look at this formula here, right? So means that cos theta, sine 25 is the same as cos 90 minus theta, which is 25, right? Theta here is 25. So you're getting cos 65. Based on the proving just now, this is always true. So, or if I said that cos sine 35, alright? If I said cos 35, for example, cos 35. So cos 35 will be, the complementary angle here will be 90 minus theta, which is sine. So means that sine, means that 35, this one will be 90 minus 35. 90 minus 35. So you have sine 55 degree. So if you're using calculator to evaluate this cos 35, it's the same as the value for sine 55, right? The value will be the same. So it means this two is actually the same. So because you add up these two, 55 plus 35, you will have 90. This is the complementary angle for this acute angle. So now, okay, same thing also here. Let's say you have cotangent 75. Cotangent 75 is the same as tangent 90 minus 75. 90 minus 75. So which give you tangent 15, right? As you know that 75 plus 15, you have 90. These two values will be the same. The value will be the same. So this is the meaning of complementary angle, right? You can use this one to prove some value you can prove some identity, or you can use to evaluate values of a trigonometric. So okay, that's all for this video.